So 13 millimeter for the caliper bolts. It's the top and the bottom one. So you can sort of just remove the top bolt on the caliper and then loosen the bottom one and fold it down so you can access the cylinder to decompress it. Make sure you pop the cap when you're dot 3 up top. I like to use my old brake pad to decompress the cylinder. And what you want is a C-clamp, but I'm using what I got. So you slide your new brake pads into these grooves here. If you keep your old ones, they go in the same way. The rear one slides in the grooves too. Again, you can use the old ones as a reference.